This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right key and understanding its role. This saves time. Look at the label and layout, because a key can behave differently on another layout. Once you confirm your input language and repeat rate, press the key gently to test action. Make sure modifiers like Shift or Control are not active unless intended. If the key toggles a mode, note the visual feedback. These first steps set predictable behavior before you proceed to combined actions. Now you combine keys and modifiers to perform complex actions. This is where timing matters. Hold the modifier first, then press the main key, because many systems register sequence-sensitive shortcuts. Once done, release in reverse order if a program expects it. Make sure accessibility features like sticky keys are off unless you need them. They change how combos register. Practice each shortcut slowly until muscle memory forms, then speed up while checking on-screen results to confirm the intended outcome. Finish by releasing keys and verifying the result visually or audibly. Confirmation prevents repeated presses. If the key did not respond, first retry and then check software settings and keyboard drivers, because a driver issue often blocks input. Make sure the key is clean and unobstructed. Debris can cause intermittent failure. If problems persist, test the keyboard on another device or use the on-screen keyboard to isolate hardware from software faults. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.